Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. This video is for all you lovely people who've purchased the cut files or the kit for the 3D bunting, which is available on my Etsy shop, and I'm going to show you how to put it all together. So to make one piece of bunting, is that a bunt? You'll need 3 of the cut and scored rectangles and some glue which is suitable for sticking together paper. So I'm just gently pressing the score lines in, not all the way, this will make life easier for us later. And the first step is to glue one end to the other to make a loop. There's a score line on the short end of the pieces of card, and this is just to show you how much overlap to use. Do this with the first 2 pieces of card and then leave them to make sure that they're really well unstuck and dry before slotting one inside the other. So far so easy. Now it does get a little bit trickier. We're going to take the 3rd long piece of cardboard and we need to thread it through the loops as if we were weaving, so over one and under the other. And then when that's threaded through, we will glue the 2 short ends together and wait for it to dry. Once everything's good and stuck, we now need to carefully shift all the loops around so that the glued edges are hidden inside the next loop along, if that makes sense. It's a little bit fiddly, so just take your time with it and make sure everything's nicely aligned before we start to push in all the scored little curves. What's going to happen now as you push all these score lines in, the bunt is going to tighten up and become more and more firm. So you can either just continue until they're all done and it makes a great cat toy, well our cats love them, or you can decide whether you're going to hang it on a loop or you're going to pass a string through all of them. So if you're going to add a loop, before you push down the last score line, you can put a little bit of glue inside and attach your loop. If you want to just hang them all on a string, as is on the picture at the beginning, you can leave the last score lines unpushed down and then just thread your string all the way through and push them down right at the end. And that's your bunting and ready for your summer garden parties. I hope this was helpful. If you've got any queries, just leave me a comment and have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye!